Hey boys and girls, I'm going to read you your graphing checkpoint. Make sure you watch this video when you take your quiz. Question 1. On Saturday, Lee learned to swim freestyle. Lee used the graph below to show how many minutes he swam freestyle each day for 4 days. How many minutes did Lee swim freestyle on Saturday and Sunday combined? 8 or 6? Question 2. On Saturday, Lee learned to swim freestyle. Lee used the graph below to show how many minutes he swam freestyle each day for 4 days. How many more minutes did Lee swim freestyle on Monday than on Saturday? 2 or 4? Question 3. If the pattern continues, about how many minutes will Lee swim freestyle on Wednesday? 8 or 10? Question 4. Which of the following would not be a correct story problem for the bar graph above? Lee swam freestyle for 2 minutes on Saturday, 4 minutes on Sunday, 6 minutes on Monday, and 8 minutes on Tuesday. What is the total number of minutes that Lee swam freestyle? Lee swam freestyle for 10 minutes on Tuesday, 8 minutes on Monday. How many minutes did he swim freestyle on both Tuesday and Monday? Lee swam freestyle for 6 minutes on Monday and 8 minutes on Tuesday. How many more minutes did Lee swim freestyle on Tuesday than Monday? Question 5. The tally chart shows the number of birds each student saw. Which graph matches the tally marks in the chart? Question 6. Victor has 4 crayons. Paul has 2 crayons. Wendy has 5 crayons. Which graph shows the correct number of crayons for each person? Question 7. Carolyn went to the pet store and counted the number of kittens and puppies for sale there. Which graph matches the data she recorded? Question 8. The graph below shows how many pets each family had. How many more pets does Dwayne's family have than Roger's? 1, 2, or 3? Question 9. Which statement about the data in the bar graph is not true? The most number of rainy days was in May. There were 2 fewer rainy days in May than in March. There were 2 more rainy days in June than in March. Question 10. Christopher is making a bar graph to show that he has 6 black pens, 2 red pens, and 4 blue pens. How many boxes in the graph will he color to show the number of red pens? 2, 6, or 4? Once you choose all your answers, you'll click Submit Quiz.